Good morning. It's great to see everybody here today. I would like to acknowledge my colleagues on the Board of Education, Vice President Tina Fredericks, Clerk Dr. Yarma Velasquez, Trustees Kim Kenny, Michelle Richardson Bailey, Patrice Marshall McKenzie, and Scott Harden. As your board president, I would like to thank Dr. Blanco and her team and their leadership throughout this tragedy. Our PUSD community has suffered unimaginable loss. I live in Altadena, I've been displaced, and so far, 47 of my friends and acquaintances have lost their homes. I try to talk with them every day, as many of them as I can. One of Altadena's significant architectural landmarks that has sustained major damage is a PUSD middle school, Elliott Arts Magnet. And many of Elliott's children and teachers have also lost their homes. I was a parent volunteer at Elliott, and it's that school and its community that inspired me to serve PUSD as a trustee. Did you know that we have entire families, sometimes 3 generations, who have attended Elliott and see it as their home? The loss of Elliott, of Franklin, and the temporary displacement of Altadena Arts is devastating. We've also lost 3 other campuses that house our charter school children, but we are getting through and have identified locations for Elliott Arts, Altadena Arts to come home. And we are working with charter schools to house students. I thank the senior leadership team for their tireless work, and the people cleaning our schools to get them ready for in-person learning. I am deeply appreciative. I also thank you for being here today to get ready to welcome children back to school. Altadena is unique, and there is much, much sadness right now, but I am in awe of all of you. The parents, students, teachers, staff, and administrators, you are loving in the face of all of your losses. The PUSD occupies a very important place in the great history of public education in the United States. I thank the administrators and staff for your incredible leadership. I look forward to welcoming students back to school starting tomorrow, so they can once again be with their teachers and their friends. Thank you.